Hi guys, this is Alicia from workersonboard.com. Today in this video I just wanted to make a quick screencast to show you all how you can listen to music and get paid to do this from a site called Music X-Ray. Many of you all may already know about this site, but for those who don't, I'm going to show you how easy it is to sign up for an account and also how you can earn about $12 an hour to listen to music here. It's really true. They will pay you, Music X-Ray will pay you 10 cents to listen to a song for just 30 seconds. Now you don't have to write a review like you do on Slice the Pie. You just simply listen to the song and then you can go to the next song and the money will be credited to your account in real time. So I'm going to go into Music X-Ray now, and I'm probably already logged in. So I am already logged in, and so I'm just going to click on this. And what you would do if, for example, say that I wasn't logged in already, I'm going to sign out just to show you guys. So what you can do is you can sign up with or register for an account with any of these social media platforms here, or you could just traditionally use your email address or password to sign up, and then you'll get a confirmation email. And after you do, then you can go, and a lot of times you may have to wait initially until they let you know that there's music for you to listen to in your account, but you could always go into your dashboard to see if you have any music there. So I'm just gonna go into my account. I'm gonna have to log in now. So okay, so I am in my account here, and as you can see over here, this is how much that I've earned so far. I can actually request a payment and it will go to my PayPal account. You need at least $20 to do this, and so I'm just going to show you guys how easy it is. I don't have to do anything. It's really a very easy way to make money online. And so I'm going to start playing the song, and then I'll show you guys how this works. So let me get started. Okay, so you see right here where it says that if you like the song, you could click to be a fan of the song, or you could, give them a tip, or you could just click here if you don't want to do either. If you didn't like the song or you don't want to give the artist a tip, then you could just click here, and here's the next song that I'm able to review. So when I first started, I had $24.08, so it put 10 cents in there. Now when I go to the next song, it'll do the same thing. So tell me, are you impressed with my constant tales in your state undress? Okay, so you see it automatically after 30 seconds put 10 more cents in my account. And so when I click here, it should give me another song to be able to listen to. And for some reason, if it doesn't happen, you can always, and I'll do this sometimes, reload the page. Just click the reload, and so here's another song that I could immediately start listening to. So if you do this consistently and just continue to do this without any delays or gaps in the time, then you can earn $12 an hour, because they're going to pay you 10 cents for every song that you listen to for just 30 seconds. And so if you do this, and there's enough content or songs for you to listen to, then you can request a payout pretty soon. Now you only need $20 in your account to request a payout, but this is a really fun site if you like to listen to music and you want an alternative to Slice the Pie where you don't have to write a review. Then you may want to try Music X-Ray. A lot of you guys, I think, would like this site, and so make sure I'll have the link below this video for you guys to sign up for Music X-Ray, but you're free to go and sign up today and start listening to songs for 30 seconds, and you can earn $12 an hour doing this from home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments about anything that I talked about in this video, make sure you leave me those below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you check out for my next video.